Hello guys, this is Danish, your insurance advisor. Now, as you know, there are so many insurance companies in the world. They promise a lot of things from you. But when it comes to payback, so many insurance companies refuse to pay what happened to you, what loss do you have. But the insurance company, they refuse to do that. Now, how and what happens? Actually, there are so many departments in the insurance companies. The one department which a common person face is a sales department. The sales team, they have a target to achieve. They promise you everything. Whenever there is a loss, they will give you everything. Whenever there is a rain, there is a flood, there is anything, they will pay you each and everything. They are liar, because they have to sell the insurance policy, and then they have to meet the insurance sales target. And after selling the insurance policy, they disappear. When a loss occurs and you report it to the insurance company, then comes the claims department. When you suffer a loss, you have to complain and report to the claim department. Now the claim department is very, very strict and not very friendly, I tell you that. Why? Now suppose you are living in United States or Europe or anywhere where there are so many floods and rains occurs in your region, in your district, in your province. Now what happens? A flood comes, and the flood destroys some 3,000 homes. Now the owners of the homes, they think they have the insurance policy, and they will pay you back the all amount of your house, your home destroyed because of the floods, because of the rain. That's wrong. Now when you purchase an insurance policy, there is one line called sum insured. Yes, sum insured, insured, sum insured. Insured means the thing which you are insuring, like insuring your property, your house. Your house is called insured, and means the total sum. Now if the value of your house is 1 million, but the value of sum insured written in the insurance policy is only $200,000, then if a loss happens and your home got destroyed totally from the floods, from the rain, the insurance company will pay you back $200,000, not $1 million. Because when the sales guy comes, they ask you to pay the premium. Okay, they offer you 3 premium: A, B, C. A is the highest premium, B is the moderate, and C is the lowest premium. Now what you do, when they ask you to high premium, they ask you to pay high premium, like $5,000 per year, $5,000 per annum. You said no, it's very high. They said, okay, can you pay $3,000? You said no, it's very high. You said, I will only pay $1,000. Now if you pay the highest premium, that is $5,000 per annum, then you might get the full coverage of $1 million. If you pay a low premium, $2,000, $3,000, you will get half value. And if you pay the lowest premium, $1,000, then you might only get $100,000. Now this is what happens after floods and rains. Your home totally destroyed. You report it to the insurance company, and they tell you, sorry, your house costs $1 million. All right, we understand, but the sum insured value written in your insurance policy is $100,000 only, because you pay a low premium of $2,000 or $3,000 per annum. So whenever you are purchasing an insurance policy, please ask the insurance company what is the sum insured, and before purchasing the insurance policy from the company, do ask them to share the draft. First they show you the draft, and after they show you the draft of the insurance policy, then you read it, then you sign it. Whatever is the sum insured value, you will get that after damage to your home. If your home costs $1 million and your sum insured is $100,000 or $200,000, you will get only the sum insured value, that is $200,000. You will not get the complete value of $1 million. So pay the highest premium. Ask your insurance agent, ask your insurance sales agent, what is my premium? I want the maximum coverage of my home, my property. I want complete coverage. Now, there are some exclusions in the insurance policy. Exclusions means the things which are not covered. For example, if they write AD is not covered. AD means atmospheric disturbance. Atmospheric disturbance means if your home suffered loss from atmospheric conditions like rain and floods, your claim is not payable. Now, that's what happens. People don't know. Your policy, your home policy must include two things: atmospheric disturbance and fire claims. For example, if you purchase an insurance policy of AD, there is atmospheric disturbance included, but fire is not included, then if a fire occurs at your home, you will not get the claim. You will not get a single penny from the insurance company. So make sure when you purchase an insurance policy, first ask your sales agent to share the draft. And the insurance policy, you should say it must cover atmospheric disturbance, rains, floods, earthquake, thunderstorm, everything should be covered. Second, fire loss. If your house got damaged from the fire, it should be included in the insurance policy. So many times it happens that there is a fire in the forest and all the homes nearby got fired, and when the homeowners, they went to the insurance company, they say you don't have a fire policy, you have an atmospheric disturbance policy, you have a theft policy. Means if something will be stolen from your home by a thief, they will pay you. Atmospheric disturbance means rain and flood damage your home, they will pay. But your insurance policy doesn't cover fire. If your home got fire from anywhere, insurance company will not pay. So make sure in United States or in Europe, wherever you are living, do purchase an insurance policy for your home, but it should cover AD, atmospheric disturbance, rain, floods, hurricane, thunderstorm, earthquake, and theft, burglary, and fire. The insurance policy must include everything. So when a loss occurs, the insurance company will pay. Otherwise, insurance company will not pay. So don't get frauded by the insurance sales agent. Ask them to share draft before you purchase insurance policy. Ask them to share the draft before you pay your money. Don't pay your money without watching the full draft.